Street life. This is in a controlled environment. Look, there's no one around. Hey, Street Life, check game. Hey, this the homie John. John, give me your info.
What's up, bro? My name's Story. On Instagram, it's 5.0 Story.
Hey, he got a 5.0. We gonna get together, do some content.
I'm down, brother.
Hey, Street Life, listen. Y'all know the Moto Mafia. We ain't going nowhere but up. Your boy, the plug. Scar. Okay. Y'all hear that, Street Life? You already know this is the 2017 boosted Mustang. This ain't Mr. Goddammit. This is your boy, TJ with the plug. Scar. Yo, that boy Mustang, that mug, go. Woo. Let me see. Freaking goodness, Street Life! Hey, if you're gonna do something crazy, I just wanna have my camera home. I'll let you go. Street Life, you see that? You see him? Hey, that's the guy. Check game. You already know Street Life. It's your boy TJ with the plug. Hey, today's video. I'm not the star of today's video. He's the co-star, and she is the star. Yes. Hey, check game. Hey, this the homie John. I call him 5-0. Hey, listen, for y'all, that's 5-0 John. Hey, John. Hey, tell us about your 5-0.
117, Gen 2, 2x1. Well, not for one, but pythons. Full exhaust, you know. Old.
She's not, listen, how long have you had her? Since 17?
Probably like 4 years ago.
4 years ago? But no, hey, tell Street Life about your crew, who you ride with.
Not really riding anybody, you know.
I like that, hold on.
915-1320, you know.
I see that, 915-1320. Hey, Street Life, if you're an EP, if y'all don't know, get familiar with the homies, 915-1320. Look, hey, so listen, y'all see this? Yes, so you already know the homie John is a rider, and we gonna get a vlog today. So hey, check it out, Street Life. Hold tight, and let me tell you, right now, if you haven't liked, shared, or subscribed to this channel, what the hell are you waiting on? You freeloading. I won't cut. Woo! Oh, Street Life. Okay, Street Life. Now, if that start don't make you subscribe to this channel, listen, right now, Street Life Moto Mafia. Listen, let me tell you right now, join the Moto Mafia, Well, I'm gonna bring you dope content like this. I'm getting out with all of these Go Fast boys here in El Paso. Mustang GTs, Mopars, LSs, M3 BMWs. You already know Street Life. Your boy, the plug. Ride with me. Skirt. Street Life, did you hear that? That is a 5.0 Mustang with no exhaust. Skirt. Damn. Hell yeah.
Never know nowadays.
Well, what? Hell yeah. But listen, as long as you definitely now you know. Well, listen, you gotta go fast. You gotta protect yourself. These fools be tripping.
That's what I'm saying. Don't worry about it.
Hey, y'all hear that? Listen, and we in EP, one of the 7 cities in the nation, and you always got to have that strap when you in these Go Fast. Hey, so check this out, Street Life. Now, John, let me ask you, is this your first Go Fast? What'd you have before this?
Oh no, I have another one.
What'd you have before this?
5.0.
Another 5.0. So you know how to wheel these Mustangs then. It ain't no, okay.
These are for beginners though.
Oh, okay, hold on. Explain. Okay, hold on. You said this is for beginners. Explain that.
These ain't for beginners.
Oh, these ain't.
Yeah, well.
Too much power. Cause now okay, explain to me this. I be seeing videos, they be looking like these Mustangs, they be making you overcorrect a lot, don't they?
things that have ribbons.
Hey, street life. Y'all see that? That boy, like you say, we got pin bros, man. We got brakes, got wheel. And for all your adult entertainment needs, Bucks Cabaret. Ooh, I love yo. No, hey, top your exhaust. Is that what's that aftermarket? Is that Burla?
No, it's not Burla. It's another brand. I forgot what brand it is.
It sounds good as hell.
BBK headers, custom X pipe, and the axle bag are.
So BBK headers, custom X pipe. Hey, this might sound. I like, but you definitely hear that stainless steel.
Yeah.
You hear that stainless. Life. When we get open, I'm trying to tell y'all gonna see some crazy pulls in this video right now. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to tell you, you're about to see some crazy pulls. We're gonna do some, we're gonna get some crazy burnouts and donuts. Stay tuned. Right now, we're gonna try and get in traffic with these hoes, man.
Yeah, first gear in this thing is really jumpy.
But yo, so it jump, but it jump, does it jump?
It has a lot of torque like
I love that.
She has a lot of torque.
First, hey, that first gear let you know, man. And let everybody else know to get out the way. The real. Woo, I felt that ass. Hey, be like, I felt that ass shit. Woo, Street Life. I love that sound. Hey, I felt that. Hey, Street Life. Hey, when he hit it, you felt that. I felt that booty go left and that booty went right, yo. Yo, I love it. This is why I love doing Go Fast. Yo, just put a smile on your face, man. The sound of that engine.
So the thing with this Mustang or Mustang in general, they take, like technically, like when you're spinning,
yeah,
go a certain way.
Exactly.
So my car turns left.
So you're used to it. You know it's gonna do that. Okay. Hey, he getting me ready for when I get wheel, when I get V8. I can see little things. So let me ask you, is that all Mustangs, like most cars, they all got a natural pull?
Yeah, most cars do, but most of them you can control them easier, like Sky Packs, Hellcats.
Right. I've seen cats too, when I know that mug is fast, but I see them hold it.
Hold it, yeah.
Cause they know it's finna, where it's finna go.
These are a little more unpredictable than Mustangs, but you'll get used to it. Like Sky Packs and Hellcats, they're easy to control.
And why is that?
The weight.
Cause these mugs are light as hell, huh?
They're light, but like they distribute the weight on those, heavier cars.
Yeah.
Also, Camaros are pretty light, but Camaros are pretty easy to control too.
But I don't see Camaros. I don't see Camaros smash like I see Mustangs. I see Mustangs, yo, and it seems like they be having it.
Yeah.
Then like it's like it's an overcorrect. I mean, and sometimes you be like, why they even do it? But when you drive it, you don't know. It's like this is a certain feeling.
Yeah.
So they feel like that bitch going. They try to save it when it be too much.
And people get scared. People slam on the brakes. You're not supposed to do that.
Oh, okay. You're not supposed to slam on it. Just take your foot off, right?
Just take your foot
Take
off.
it from the accelerations and stop moving, right? Y'all hear that? You know what I'm saying? That's what's that? Non-wipeout cheat code.
Then off the gas, then off the brake, and control yourself.
And first thing these fools do is they put on brakes. Hey, I ain't even gonna lie. I feel like I'm cheating on my game. I'm like, yo, don't DP me. Don't DP me, Mopar gang. Here we go. If all these cars get out the way, then we can drive Street Life. Hey, look, he think we trying to race. He know what it is. I already know. He was back here eating. Street Life. We just back here eating, man. We eating. It's time to let the big dogs eat. Street life. Woo! Time to let the big dogs eat, man. Hey. Street life. They're not gonna let us. They're not gonna let us do it, man. They're not.
That shit sucks, bro. Really sucks.
Dude, I'm telling you. And especially over here.
Yeah.
These people don't hear me bullshit.
No?
Yeah. Street life. Even right now, I know the video ain't even giving it the exhaust, the respect it deserves. It sounds good as hell. There we go. Move, Ram. Move, baby TRX. On cones. The cone. I thought that was the police set up for a second with the cones. Threw me. Oh, you. Are we ready? We ready, man. Hey, street life. Yo, boy, I had to choke up. Pause. Had to choke up. Pause. Oh my GoPro. On my tripod, I had to choke up, yo. Yo, I had to make sure we had this bud. I heard it when he hit that downshift. I already knew what it was, man. I already knew what it was, hit that downshift. Oh, man. Sorry about that. Street life, I'm hitting niggas' arm and shit while they driving. My bad. We going on Bill and I'm hitting niggas' arm. Pause, my bad, yo. Yo, that's what I'm talking about. Street life, I'm just trying to get y'all know how fast we was going, man.
Like 130, 135.
That was a light 130. Yo. Y'all know how much work it take for that big old Rango to get to Bill 15.
That shit moves, bro. Like,
it do, but I ain't gonna lie. I'd rather move that fast something smaller though.
oh yeah.
Swimming team. We swimming, street life. We swimming. We in that backstroke. We swim. It's that EP swim team, street life. It's that aqua posse. Yeah, man, it's that highway aqua posse. Hey, street life aqua posse. Right now. I know we can do it.
What's up, Pop? What, Pop?
Hey, his homeboy called him. We got to rest, street life. Where the homie at?
Right here.
Hey, that's the homie in the truck right there, Street Life. Street Life. The F. We got a rap.
Huh?
We got the right, Street Life.
Where you go? No, one.
Hey, Mustang GT got Raptor. Woo!
No, it's jumping around, bro.
Hey, that's what I'm talking about. Hey, we got that Mustang GT, that Ford Raptor race. Woo! Street life. Hey, I'm ready when you are. Street life. This is in a controlled environment. Look, there's no one around. Street life. Yo, that boy Mustang. That mug. Go. That mug. I hear it coming better. I was like, I hear that mug coming back. Woo! Woo! Yo! Oh my freaking goodness, Street Life! Yo, boy, the blood, scar. Hey, Street Life, check game. Hey, this the homie John. John, give me your info.
What's up, bro? My name's Story. On Instagram, it's 5.0 Story.
Hey, he got a 5.0. We gonna get together, do some content.
I'm down, brother.
Hey, if you're gonna do something crazy, I just wanna have my camera on. Holla at your boy. Hey, Street Life, listen, y'all know the Moto Mafia, we ain't going nowhere but up. Yo, boy, the blood,
You can rev it, but not like. So
please show me how. Yeah, I don't need to go crazy. I'm just gonna do it for effect.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm just doing it for effect. So they be like, oh, he trying to act like Mr. Goddamn it.